Today, I will show you step by step how to buy a monetized YouTube channel in India using Flippa. Buying a monetized channel can save you months of effort if you want to start earning from YouTube without waiting for 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Flippa is a trusted marketplace where you can safely buy and sell YouTube channels with verified revenue and traffic. First, go to Flippa using the link in the description and create an account with your email. Verify your email, complete your profile, and then search YouTube channel in the Flippa dashboard. Filter to show only monetized channels or those generating revenue and set your budget if needed. Browse channels in your niche and click on listings to see details like revenue proof, subscriber count, channel age, and traffic sources. Check the comments to see if there's real audience engagement. If there's no revenue proof uploaded, ask the seller for YouTube analytics and AdSense screenshots to avoid scams. Use Flippa's messaging system to chat with the seller and ask why they are selling and if there are any copyright strikes or issues on the channel. If satisfied, you can place a bid or use the Buy Now option. Flippa uses escrow, so your payment is only released after you get access to the channel. After payment, the seller will add your email as a manager and you'll become the owner after 7 days. You will also need to transfer or link your AdSense account following YouTube's guidelines carefully to avoid issues. Once you receive ownership, secure the channel with your phone number and two-step verification. Review the videos on the channel and remove any content that could cause policy issues. Then you can start uploading your own content and growing your channel. Take your time when choosing a channel and always check analytics to avoid fake subscribers or inactive channels. Use the link in the description to create your Flippa account and start exploring monetized channels today.